Hello, model railroaders, Grandpa Rails. I guess it's about time we do an update, so this will be the May update. You can see we have a locomotive up there on the track. Got a bridge right here in the way. Must be doing some bridge work. There's another train on the track. There's another one over there. It works. Working on this area right here. As you can see, the lift bridge is no longer. I decided to heck with that. I'll just duck under this. It works just fine. I don't have to worry about my track matching up anymore. Everything is good.
Like this.
Oh yeah, and then there's Sunny Jack right there. He keeps saying his name is Jackson, but I don't know. Then I have this bridge area right here. I'll be working on that also. We just finished painting up the risers on this side. Mr. Jackson painted that. And let's see, we're down here working on a little bit of track work down here, trying to get a crossover worked in. And then after that, I'll work on this peninsula. So, just a short update for May 2025. Y'all have a great evening, great day, great tomorrow, great year, great summer. This is coming in here real quick. Anyway, I'm rambling on now. Thanks for all the old subscribers, new subscribers, and we will talk to you later.